keep watching to see how you could make a Play-Doh puzzle. Kiddyzuzaa! Hello everybody, I'm the Play-Doh egg. I love Play-Doh. Play-Doh, do, 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 do. Look at this amazing real Play-Doh egg! I wonder what's inside. It has an orange Play-Doh man on it, like our one. She's so cute. Sorry, Mr. Play-Doh man. Whoa! Crayons and pencils. And some Play-Doh inside. 2 kinds of Play-Doh. Some Play-Doh pictures to color in. Ooh. Look, it has the numbers on top and the alphabet at the bottom. I'm going to turn this into a Play-Doh tiara so I can be the Play-Doh princess. Does my Play-Doh tiara look nice? Now I'm going to show you how to make a little Play-Doh guy, like Mr. Orange Play-Doh here. First, you make 2 little Play-Doh feet. This is an empty Play-Doh pot. You open it just a little bit for the eyes. With the white Play-Doh, you make 2 eyeballs. You put black dots for the eyeballs. And then you put the eyeballs inside the open can of Play-Doh. Like this. And then you put this on top of the feet. Now you need some hands. Two hands. You just squish them on. For the mouth, you need a black triangle, and then you stick a white sausage for the teeth. There you go, Mr. Red Play-Doh. Meet Mr. Orange Play-Doh. Feet, hands, eyebrows, eyes, mouth, and then put him together. Meet Mrs. Purple. Doesn't she look gorgeous? I love the bows on her shoes. Don't my Play-Doh people look lovely? Bye! Thank you for watching our video.